Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I will tell you like and subscribe because you have a lot to miss from my videos, and if you don't want to miss it, just like and subscribe and press the ring bell button also. In today's video we're gonna change my air filter. This is my new HEPA filter from Xiaomi for my Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier Pro that I have, and you can check the video review. It's probably 11 months ago I made it, and this is the new filter that I changed. It's antibacterial. I already used normal HEPA filter, antibacterial filter, anti-formaldehyde filter, and now I'm again using the antibacterial filter because I'm very happy with the performance of this HEPA filter, the antibacterial one, because it has 3 layers for ultimate protection, and I think it works. At least this winter I haven't been ill from anything. Yes, including COVID. I haven't had COVID till now, and I'm very happy because I feel like my machine is protecting me sometimes from different bacteria. I don't know how true it is, but maybe it's a placebo effect, but I'm sure that this works in some kind of way. Let's unpack it and put it where it's supposed to be. One filter costs around 30 euro, a new one, and you need to change it every 6 months. My knife, by the way, this knife is from Parkside, and you can check my knife video review of this set from Parkside from Lidl. Super cool knives for very nice price. It's sharp, very sharp. You change it every 6 months, and the machine itself tells you when it's time to change your filter. The package is nice, eco package. And here's the filter. By the way, I removed this net from my old filter. It's very useful to use it as a dust filter, you can put it on your computer case. If you don't have dust filter, you can put it on your window. It protects from bugs and dust. You know, on some places where there are a lot of mosquitoes, they put this, you know, on the windows to protect you from mosquitoes. So it's nice, it's useful. You should think smart, and when you buy something, even if it's time to throw it, you should always find a way to use some parts of it for something else. That's called economical creativity. Anyway, it smells brand new filter. I spoke a lot about this filter in my previous video review for the Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier Pro, where I explain exactly layer by layer what does it contains, how does it works. You know that these days, if you have an air purifier, you're totally lucky. It's a must for every house because the air outside is so dusty, and I'm living in Sofia, Bulgaria, and if you know, Sofia is one of the cities with most polluted air. You know, the particles are so many and the number is quite high. That's why I decided to invest in my Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier Pro, and it serves me well for almost 2 years today. Just changing filters twice a year is pretty economical, and you can find it on very good price right now. I'm sure because the time I bought it was 500 level, 250 euro. Now you can find it 150 euro. The price dropped and the quality is still same. It covers up to 70 square meters and it's good. ASMR ripping. Very nice filter. It's beautiful. And we're ready. The filter is in. The machine is working perfectly. Here the air is not that dirty as I expected to be. It's on 24. It's 24 degrees, 53% humidity. Wi-Fi connection is established. Everything is perfect and clean air. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media.